our face has to face many problems like pollution, sun tanning, and many other things. And to protect our skin, the best way is natural remedies. Today I'll be showing you easy to make face mask with simple home remedies, and it's very easy to prepare, and it's very useful, and I personally believe that this face mask really works to remove your tans, and it's very beneficial. Before putting this mask, just test in your neck or something so that you will not be allergic to this. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Take one bowl, 1 spoon, and the ingredients you require are orange peel powder, yogurt, rose water, turmeric, lemon, and honey. So yeah, let's get started. Take orange peel powder. Orange peel powder has much higher concentration of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. It helps in treating various types of skin problems like tanning, acne, oily skin, blackheads removing, and many more. Now add turmeric into it. Turmeric has antioxidant components which helps in glowing of the skin. Now squeeze some lemon into it. Lemon are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help in brighten and light up of your skin. Now add yogurt. Yogurt helps in reducing wrinkles and fine lines, also treats skin infection and fight acne. Here I am using Patanjali honey. You can use any honey. Honey is naturally antibacterial and also acts as a pore cleanser, and also helps in treating and prevention of acne. Honey acts as a moisturizer for your skin. Now add rose water. Rose water helps in maintaining the skin pH balance and also control the excess oil of your skin. After adding all the ingredients, mix every ingredient properly so there will be no lumps. This is the most effective technique for tan removal. And yeah, you are done with your face mask.
It's not a magic month or something. You have to apply the sunscreen before going to the sun. So yeah, don't forget to apply sunscreen on your face before leaving out of your house. So yeah, apply this mask regularly for the best results. If you like this video and if you found it useful, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.